Hi everyone. I know you're all coming over. You run away from me when I come in, but you see this? You see this and you change your mind. Hold on, I gotta pull out the treats. Abbie, you want a little bit? You gotta take it. Just a little bit at a time. Angelique. A little more? Okay. Beamer, you want some? Even Beamer. Ooh, good boy, Beams. Yeah, you can't have the whole thing though. Here, you can have this little piece. What about Bartleby? Bartleby. Oh, that's a big piece for Bart. Hi. Everyone wants some? Well, I have to get... Yeah? No. Guys. Well, okay, maybe Osaka will take some. What? Okay, don't yell. Oh my goodness. Come here, kitties. Don't you want some treats? Come on, someone has to come over. Yeah? I'll reposition my hand. Come on. Gigi might. Gigi. No, Gigi? Nobody? Come on. What about Gigi? No? Oh my goodness. Okay, since none of the others want anything to do with me, I'll have let you guys have it. Hi Beamer, you want it? You're okay. Beamer. Here. Whoop. Oh. Oh. Beamer gets it. Oh, you silly kitties.